Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse and welcome to DTS 101 Part 1, a 30,000 foot view of DTS 5.0. Alright, so I'm just going to be doing this quick foundational video on DTS 5.0. And what 5.0 consists of is it's basically everything that you're ever going to need for your day trading solution. And it should be the last thing that you ever need as far as a Ninjatrader day trading solution. Now, we've designed DTS around simplicity. And what we're currently looking at here is you're looking at all three of our birds. This is our eagle designed for the longer term. This is our falcon designed for the midterm move. And then down here we have our hawk, which is designed for the short-term move. What I want to do first is I want to bring up the fact that DTS 5.0 is designed around simplicity, having a set of crystal clear signals, not to mention simple rules that are easy to follow. Go ahead and break out your stopwatch on this one here because I'm going to go over the simple rules that are involved with taking long trades on all three birds. Are you ready? Go ahead and time me. So let's go ahead and let's take a look here at our eagle chart first. In order for us to have a trade on the eagle to the long side, we need a nice green filter, rule number one. We need our soft edge, which is right here, above our hard edge, which is the slate blue line right here. We need to have our get ready, get set, and our go signals in place like we have here and here. And that's how we make a long trade. For the falcon, again, we want to have a nice green filter. We want the falcon swing line to be green. And once again, get ready, get set, go. For the hawk, our shorter term chart, we want to have the micro line above the macro line, which is the triangles right here. Again, nice green filter, get ready, get set, and then go. Okay, stop. Like I said, in order to have a good trading system, we need to have a solid set of easy to follow rules in place, which I just demonstrated. The next thing, of course, that I demonstrated is the fact that we want to have easy to spot crystal clear signals. One thing I need to mention about all of our signals, they all come with audible alerts that are going to help give us that heads up to let us know that there's a possible trade on the horizon. We get the heads up back here on the previous bar rather than having to rush and jump to conclusions and just buy market and make an entry. No more staring at the screen. You just listen for your audible alerts, look up, there you see the bar building, there's my get set, and then there's my go, there's my entry right there. Nice and simple. The next thing that we've added with DTS 5.0 is something that's very, very often overlooked in the trading community, and that's strong money management. Without strong money management, there is no way you will ever survive in the day trading business. This is our trade manager that we have right here. Not only can you calculate your risk and determine your risk on the fly, like I'm doing right now, I'm increasing my risk to 2%. I can set profit targets if I like. I can be all in, all out. I can trade according to my taste, and I can trade according to my trading style. The other thing that we've done with the trade manager is we've taken the guesswork out of, okay, here's my entry right here. Get ready, get set, go. Everything's in line. Well, when do I get out of this trade? You know what? I don't need to know when to get out of this trade because my automated trailing stops are going to do this for me. The beauty of the trade manager is there's not just one particular stop type. We have over 9 different stop types, and all these stop types are adjustable. Just like Chart Trader, we still have the same functionality. We've got our buy and sell buttons up here, the close button, and one of the features that we've added is we've actually added an adjustable break even button. And I can adjust this to break even plus or break even minus, and I can do it manually if I like. Or with Trade Manager, I can actually program it like an ATM to go to break even automatically after it reaches so many ticks. So I've already covered the first 2 key components with any day trading solution, and that's a solid set of easy to follow rules, crystal clear, easy to spot signals like we're seeing right here. And I've also touched on money management as well. There's one more piece of the puzzle that's quite often missing from many other programs that are out there today. And that key element is education. What we've found is that simply handing somebody a manual and a couple of videos, giving them a pat on the back and, gee, I hope you make it, that just doesn't cut it. That doesn't work. We found that what works best is an actual mentorship that you actually get to do with real experienced traders. And you get to do it every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. Traders such as Eric Senf, 20-year veteran, who's also our resident CTA, gives training solely devoted to DTS. And the beauty of the education is there's no monthly fee for it once you become a DTS owner. Before I close, I'd like to add one more note. We do offer one-on-one demonstrations. And if you would like to schedule one of those, please reach out to me by emailing me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks, and have yourself a great day.